Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Today we are with Govy. Yeah, man. Govy. Pan the hill and Gully. Riddim. Yes, big up yourself, Steve. This one is called Itsy Bitsy. Just dropping a one. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Govy. Get it. Genius. Bombo clan. Watch Govy pants. Watch Govy blood clan pants, youth. Watch it, G, youth. Clean. Yo, all right, Govy ready. All right, let's go.
Grip it and make body chip. That are you.
No, I never. Big up yourself. Rope with them. How? Grip it and make body chip. That are you. Yo, which one of them artists you find them old school? At Jamaica this? Them something at Jamaica? Them thinking at Jamaica this?
Pum my squeeze pan the tip. That a glue. Near the string cutter could do all of you. I want
your neighbor string cutter good whole avenue. Your neighbor string cutter good whole avenue, man. Big up yourself, are you?
My squeeze pan the tip that a glue. Near the string cutter could do all of you. I want you to do. Grab up it.
Bobo clot. At Jamaica, you know? Them artists here put in the work. Big up the production team. Genius, big up yourself. Big up the production team, them. Where I put out the work for the artists them, and I make sure them have the right settings. I have to say that. This is not a review, this is a reaction, by the way. So get it right. Let's go!
Bitsy gripping from your man, now straight. She wants some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run.
Yo! Every song makes different. Every song makes different to match the artist's voice. Every song makes different to match the artist's style. That's why he's the fucking genius, bro. Listen to the mix.
She wants some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run. Boom, fight like the jazz pump.
They like come on, she wants some. They like come on, me want go home. Yo, what about the artists are creative? Big up for the same. Go there.
You rub the pan the edge and pan the corner. Cause every time I get the pussy like you warmer. Yeah. Love when you see.
Every time I get the pum me warmer, mama. Every time I get it warmer. Every time. Tell me though, rub it pan the edge and pan the corner, make you feel like it a burn. Yes, man.
Don't panic, the look up bend down there. Some girl won't look, but them still can't fuck. And a bit, so she feel when she can't but the pack a key. Girl a tip.
Yo, big up. Ladies, big up on yourself in that video. Big up the female them in that video. Them a do them thing. Them a gone. Them a galang. Them gone. Them a lead.
On the body broke it, left it up a chip. Why the good pussy girl them ever cock a tip? One leg like slave on your pretty property.
Why the good pussy girl them ever kakati. Them was too shangwan with a bag of things. But guess what I want to do? I want Lego like slave for your property. If it does work. Yeah, I want work for your property, mama. I want work. Nothing wrong with the workings. I want work. Let's go.
Girl, for your rear, have the wire in a hip. Yeah. Fuck up on a trip, a backers in a Miami. Girl, send me cocky if you play me high on it.
Bobo clot. Fuck up on a trip in a Miami. Girl, send me cocky. Yo! Govy!
Don't turn a lion in, good girl. Grab up a Itsy Bitsy gripping from your man, now straight. And man, she wants some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run.
Yes, let me tell you, this song them mix different. This sound different from a Massacre. This sound different from a Valley. Anna Ellie. This is the fourth official one, right? Alright. And no artists there. No artists are found there. I know.
Boom, fight like the jazz pump. Me have to rub the pan the edge and pan the corner. Yeah. Cause every time I get the pussy like you warmer. Yeah. Love when you sit down pan it, the look up bend down there.
Can I just ask this question? Is people tired of the trap dancehall now? I want back some original dancehall? Because this is what we're seeing from where there, right? This is what we're seeing from where there with the bad rhythm them, the bad juggling them are hit. Because people, I think people want something different, you know. You see me?
She have a vibe when me like of the time of my life. Yeah. Wine on the bike, girl, ride on the bike.
You're the video clean your fuck. Sure of
yourself, flap a girl on the side. Your bed, the man asleep in tonight.
Yeah, man. Man not sleep out. A your bed. A year bed. So no matter if him go out and go party with him friend them, a year them a come back. Yeah, mama. Yeah, cause you got the glimmer to the glamour to the Yeah, I have to come back. Yeah. I have to come back here, mama.
Sunny tight, one queen, no scabby girl no reach by your heights. Never. Pretty cute face, white teeth when you smile.
One queen, no scabby girl no reach by your heights. No scabby girl, no mockers can size up with you. Big up all the mockers them state, but no mockers can size up with you, mama. Yeah, are you?
Man at a time, tell him read up your file. Good old girl. Grab a itsy bitsy grippy from your man, not straight. And a rum man, she want some fun. Me love the way.
Oh, book class. Can I just say something? Me see people are already a compare which song a lead and with no. Only don't do that, you know. This is not a competition. This is a juggling. This is not a competition. This is a fucking juggling. If your artist dep on the rhythm and your artist are going with himself, that's alright. That's fine. Not no wrong. But not compare the artist them say which one better and which one better. Every artist have them own style on the rhythm and all them shot. Big up all the artists them on the rhythm. It take boy. You know, take boy if you have a song on a rhythm. I tell you, you have to do your research.
Cock it up in the shots run. Boom boom fat like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time I get the pussy like you warmer.
And also, this rhythm, I go push artists for forward with them creativity. I'm gonna listen to some old time song and some old time saying and bring it in at them. And this is what we see happening right now. So more artists have to go do them homework and forward with a different style than the artists before.
They sit down on it, they look up bend down there. Some girl hold good, but them still can't fuck.
Acho. So some girl hold good and them still can't fuck. For true. Them that's boring. They tell a girl arch your back hunk up. So mama arch back, man, back hunk up. So what the blood clot on the move? Move, man.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Move, muckers, move.
Grip it and nip body chip that are you. Pum pum a squeeze pan the tip that a glue. Near the string cutter could do a lap in you. I want you to do. Grab up.
Yo. Genius. You did it, bro.
Hey, it's a bitsy grippy from your man, not straight. And a rum man, she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run.
Daylight come on, me want go home.
Boom boom fat like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time I get the pussy like you warmer. Love when you sit down on it, they look up bend down there.
Yo. Like me say, every song on the rhythm shots. Govy. Round of applause for Govy. Round of a fucking applause for Govy.
Some girl hold good, but them still can't fuck.
Ropey, big up on yourself. Itsy Bitsy. The rhythm nice. The song them nice. The creativity buck. Yeah, the creativity buck. So big up all of the people that love music. I don't love man. Cause some man a boy I don't love, you know. I swear. A boy some man don't love. A big song this. Me like it. Big rhythm pan big song. Big song pan big rhythm. Anyway you want to put it. Yeah, me like it. Go over big up yourself, me G. Yeah. Ropey, big up on yourself. Steven! Big up yourself in the bad mix there, me G. Big up yourself, bro. Steven. Genius. Let me know anything about it down in the comment section, man, and I'll be down there, alright?